Welcome back everyone to the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. We're on our way to Cycle Gear Bike Night Canoga Park. August Bike Night, second Tuesday of the month. See if we catch anybody on their phones. Yeah, there's one. Well, we made it through that light on one shot. I have no idea why this guy is tapping his brakes. I'm sure there's not a good reason. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see the mirror? You look? Come on now. I'm sorry?
Where you came from? I look at the mirror. You came from my car right away.
No, I was behind you for 3 to 5 seconds. I was there for 6 seconds at least. We didn't make contact. Yes, that's good. Yeah. I'm sorry I was close. You're sorry. Everybody's good. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you. Well, that guy, he was a little bit antsy, a little bit, you know, like, hey, where'd you come from? You came out of nowhere. But, you know, the footage will show. Maybe I moved around him quite quick, but I moved to that lane and I was moving up that lane and he just decided to move right on over. So we're up here on the 405. I'm going to cut this clip here and start it back over. I'm Sab Crazy. Stay safe. Be good drivers. Don't get caught on the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time.
Presta atención. Idiot! Just because she didn't stop, so she'd have hit me at full speed. Hi! Hi! Hey! Give me! Prick! Fuck it again! Fucking literally! Can we avoid roundabouts from now on? Can we avoid roundabouts from now on? Just gonna pull that on again. Twice! Ah, they're never going to do that. Yep, I saw that one coming. Okay. Civic in the wrong lane. If Civic come past you pretty fast, like he's going to jump in front of you because he's in the wrong lane. And then that guy almost got hit by the Civic because he's in the wrong lane as well. Use the bus lane. Hang on. Whoa. Fucking. You're in a bus lane! Is that a bus? bus lane. Yeah, but it ends here. That's a bus lane back there. Fucking idiot. It was your fault when you didn't check. Oh, you going to the petrol station? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you wanker. Go, 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 go! Fine, don't then! Fuck! I'm trying to let you out! I'm slowing down and you're braking as well! I'm flashing you out! Go! Fucking people! Don't be in the wrong lane, I will punch the side of your car. Don't go near me. Fucking told you. You can see it coming a mile away.